At the Oracle Industry Labs, we focus on understanding problems from the perspective of the people we serve. This human-centered approach allows us to create an engaging experience that is both believable and relevant to our customers. The Oracle Industry Labs is a testbed where visitors can immerse themselves in real-world situations, experiencing technology in a hands-on environment. We show products and solutions in their natural environment, rather than in a boardroom. Visitors use these technologies in their real world, so why not allow them to touch and interact with them in our simulated real world? Come to the Oracle Industry Labs and see how Oracle is making an impact on industry.